The cheapest mortgage with the wrong strategy can cost you thousands of dollars. Hi, I'm Zalmanoff with USA Mortgage, and this is our client for life experience. Buying a house without knowing the budget for your closing costs is sort of like painting it without knowing the color. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the closing costs so you can be better prepared. These are the costs of doing business to purchase your home, but I'll summarize the big ones. First, we have the title company, which is where you will close at, and they will ensure that the property is free and clear of all liens when it's transferred to you. You have some loan fees that you'll pay to us as the lender too. There is a lot of work that we do behind the scenes to ensure that you get to the closing table. You will also have your appraisal costs too. There are some miscellaneous costs, but these are definitely the larger ones. There's another set of costs that can be paid by the seller too. These are called prepaids, the largest of which is a year's worth of homeowner's insurance that gets paid at the time you close. Knowing the total closing costs will allow you to have a better plan, be more prepared, and if you're gonna ask the seller to pay some of your costs, be very concise and clear so there's no surprises for you at closing. The largest expense that you're gonna have is your down payment. Now, it really isn't an expense, but you're taking money out of your bank account and putting it against the mortgage on your home, so it's money that you won't have access to after you close. So by now, you're probably asking yourself, how much should I put down? Is there a 0% option? Should I put down 3%, 5%, 10%, 20%? This is going to differ from borrower to borrower and loan program to loan program to best achieve your financial goals. So let's just use this simple example. Let's say that you came to me and you were buying a $200,000 home and you wanted to put down 10%, which would be $20,000 in this instance. That may not be the best decision for you. Let's look at this broken out another way. So let's say that you took 5% and put it down, and you took the other $10,000 and put it in an investment account to help you with your retirement. We use an average rate of return of 7% a year. Over the course of 30 years, that $10,000 would be worth about $76,000. So if that payment difference of $50 a month doesn't move the needle for you, you may be in a much better position by working with a mortgage advisor who can set you up for your financial success. As a mortgage advisor, we need to educate you on the difference of what $50 a month does to your payment or what $70,000 or $100,000 in retirement will do for you in the future. So what about receiving down payment assistance? So typically these loans are reserved for first-time home buyers, and to be considered a first-time home buyer, you cannot have owned a property in the past 3 years. So maybe you could have owned one many years ago and be considered a first-time home buyer again. One more thing that you'll need to consider is mortgage insurance on your home purchase. Now, if you put down more than 20%, you won't have mortgage insurance on your loan. Mortgage insurance varies between programs and will be greatly affected by your credit score on conventional loans. On FHA mortgages, mortgage insurance is the same across the board. I could bore you with more details, but this is why you need to work with a mortgage advisor. When it comes to mortgages, the numbers never lie, and the better informed we make you, the better decision we'll both make. And quite frankly, my business is based on referrals. The better decision to help you make, the more people you're gonna send our way. I hope this video has broken down some of the costs that you're gonna pay, the expenses that you will incur, the investment that you're going to make into your property, and really truly helped you understand why you need to be working with a mortgage advisor like myself and my team. Again, regardless of the property you buy, knowing your numbers is the most important thing. We are here to help. I'm Zalmanoff with USA Mortgage. This is our client for life experience, and don't hesitate to reach out with any more questions.